How to change language in Crunchyroll. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Now, as you might know, there are three types of languages that you can change in Crunchyroll. The first one is the app language, and the second one is the audio language, while the third one is the subtitle language. So let's go ahead and see the second and third option as they are the easiest ones, and we will see how to change the app interface language later in the video. So go ahead and open up your app. And once you do that, click on the account button at the bottom right to navigate to this page right here. From here, scroll down to the preferences section where you will be able to change the audio and subtitle language as you can see. If you want to change the audio language, just click on it and select any audio, say for example French, and then just go back and you will be able to see that the audio language has been changed to French. Now if you want to change the subtitle language, then you can simply do the same thing and select your language, and as you can see the subtitles will now be displayed in French. So that was how you can change the audio and subtitle language. Now how can you change the app interface language? As you can see right here, the app is in English. Say for example you want to change it to French, just like we did with the audio and the subtitle language. Now keep in mind that the Crunchyroll app language is related to your phone language, meaning that if your mobile device is on English, the app will be displayed in the English language. And if your mobile phone is in, say for example, French language, then the app will be displayed in French, meaning that in order to change the app language, you need to change the mobile device language. So let's go ahead and do that. Let me just open up my settings right here and then scroll down to the language section, and let's go ahead and change this to French. Now once your mobile device language has been changed, close the app and reopen it again. So let's go ahead and do that. And as you can see right here, the app language has been changed to French. It's that easy and simple, and you will see that all of your app will be displayed in French, as you can see. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change language in Crunchyroll. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.